The Aerobin 400 is a superb composting tool for anyone looking to efficiently manage organic waste and enhance their gardening efforts. With its 400-liter capacity, this compost bin provides ample space to handle the composting needs of both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Its large capacity makes it ideal for anyone who generates substantial organic waste, whether from gardening or kitchen scraps. The Aerobin 400 is a reliable and user-friendly option that can help you transform organic materials into nutrient-rich compost with minimal hassle. The Aerobin 200 and Aerobin 400 share many of the same high-quality features, such as the central aeration core, insulated walls, and durable UV-resistant plastic, but they differ significantly in capacity and scale. The Aerobin 200, with its 200-liter capacity, is a more compact option, ideal for those with smaller gardens or who produce less organic waste, while the Aerobin 400 offers double the capacity at 400 liters, making it better suited for larger households or avid gardeners who generate substantial amounts of compostable material. The larger size of the Aerobin 400 reduces the frequency of needing to empty the bin and allows for more efficient composting during peak gardening seasons, whereas the Aerobin 200 is more manageable for those with limited space or smaller composting needs. Essentially, the choice between the two models comes down to the volume of organic waste you plan to compost and the space available for your composting setup. What sets the Aerobin 400 apart from other compost bins on the market is its durable UV-resistant plastic construction, ensuring that it can withstand the harshest weather conditions. Whether it's the heat of the summer or the chill of the winter, the Aerobin 400 is designed to endure. Its modern look is not just for aesthetics. It's built for practical use. The insulated design is a crucial feature because it retains heat and moisture, both of which are essential for speeding up the composting process. Even in cooler weather, the Aerobin 400 is capable of maintaining the right conditions for effective decomposition, making it suitable for gardeners in a wide range of climates. One of the most appealing aspects of the Aerobin 400 is its straightforward setup process, which requires no tools and can be completed by anyone, regardless of their technical experience. Once assembled, the Aerobin 400 features a central aeration column that ensures proper air circulation throughout the compost pile. This is critical for maintaining aerobic conditions, which are necessary for the compost to break down efficiently. Aeration allows oxygen to flow freely throughout the bin, promoting the activity of microorganisms that aid in the decomposition process. By maintaining aerobic conditions, the Aerobin 400 eliminates the need for frequent manual turning, making it one of the easiest compost bins to manage. The bin's large 400-liter capacity is one of its key advantages compared to smaller models like the Aerobin 200. The larger size is a significant upgrade for those who produce a large amount of organic waste. Whether you're composting kitchen scraps, yard clippings, or other organic material, the Aerobin 400 can handle it all. For many gardeners, especially during peak seasons like spring and fall, the ability to manage larger amounts of organic material is invaluable. The increased capacity reduces the frequency of trips to the compost bin, allowing you to handle large amounts of waste more efficiently, which can be particularly useful when your garden is in a full bloom or needs seasonal cleanup. When it comes to what you can compost in the Aerobin 400, a balanced approach is key. To produce high-quality compost, it's important to include both nitrogen-rich green materials and carbon-rich brown materials. Green materials include kitchen scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and fresh garden clippings. These items are essential to introduce nitrogen into your compost, which is necessary for the growth of microorganisms that can help break down organic matter. But just to keep in mind, too much green material can make the compost pile too wet and potentially lead to foul odors. This is where brown materials come into play. Shredded cardboard boxes, dead leaves, paper, and other dry materials provide carbon, which helps balance out the moisture and prevent the pile from becoming soggy. The combination of green and brown materials creates the perfect environment for composting, ensuring that the decomposition process happens efficiently without unpleasant smells. Another key feature that makes the Aerobin 400 stand out is its moisture management system. Excess moisture from the compost collects in a chamber in the base of the bin, where it can be easily drained. This liquid, often referred to as compost tea, is a valuable byproduct of the composting process. Compost tea is nutrient-rich and can be diluted with water to create a natural organic fertilizer for your plants. This adds an extra layer of utility to the Aerobin 400, as you not only benefit from the compost itself, but also from the liquid fertilizer it produces. This feature ensures that no part of the composting process goes to waste, making the Aerobin 400 an even more efficient tool for your gardening needs. In my experience, the Aerobin 400 has transformed how I manage kitchen and garden waste. Its large capacity and efficient design have simplified the composting process, allowing me to turn a wide variety of organic materials into nutrient-rich compost with little effort. The compost it produces is dark, crumbly, and full of nutrients, which has significantly improved the quality of my garden soil. As a result, my plants have grown healthier and more robust, with fewer external inputs like store-bought fertilizer. This has not only been a cost-saving measure, but also an environmentally friendly choice that aligns with my goal of reducing waste and living more sustainably. Proper maintenance of the Aerobin 400 involves monitoring moisture levels and ensuring that the compost pile has a balanced mix of materials. If the compost becomes too wet, adding more dry, carbon-rich materials like dead leaves or shredded paper can help absorb the excess moisture. On the other hand, if the compost is too dry, adding water or nitrogen-rich materials like kitchen scraps can restore balance. The goal is to keep the compost pile damp but not soggy. You want it similar to the consistency of a wrung-out sponge. By maintaining the right moisture levels and material balance, the Aerobin 400 will continue to produce high-quality compost without the need for constant attention. All right, let me add a few closing remarks. The Aerobin 400 is an exceptional tool for gardeners who are serious about composting. Its large capacity, durable construction, and efficient design make it an excellent choice for managing organic waste and producing nutrient-rich compost with minimal effort. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller compost bin or just starting your composting journey, the Aerobin 400 offers a reliable, eco-friendly solution that will benefit both your garden and the environment. The bin's thoughtful design, including features like central aeration core and moisture collection system, ensures that the composting process is as efficient and user-friendly as possible. For anyone looking to reduce waste, improve soil health, and embrace more sustainable gardening practices, the Aerobin 400 is a worthy investment. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, happy gardening.